Achieving financial success is a universal aspiration, but it often requires a strategic approach and a set of fundamental principles. These 10 money rules for financial success provide a roadmap to help you navigate the complex world of personal finance. By adhering to these rules, you can take control of your financial destiny, build a secure foundation, and work towards your monetary goals. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or seeking to enhance your existing financial practices, these rules serve as a valuable guide to secure your future and make the most of your hard-earned money. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a cornerstone of financial success. It involves meticulously tracking your income and expenses to gain a clear understanding of where your money goes. By establishing a budget, you can allocate funds to meet your financial goals, such as saving, investing, or paying off debt. This disciplined approach ensures that you live within your means, avoid unnecessary spending, and make informed financial decisions. A budget serves as a financial roadmap, enabling you to save for the future and maintain financial stability while preventing overspending and unexpected financial pitfalls. It's a crucial step in taking control of your finances and achieving financial success. Number 9. Save first, spend later. Save first, spend later emphasizes the importance of prioritizing savings before discretionary spending. By setting aside a portion of your income for savings or investments as soon as you receive it, you ensure that your financial future is secure. This rule encourages the habit of living within your means, avoiding debt, and consistently building a financial safety net. It promotes a mindset of delayed gratification, allowing you to achieve long-term financial goals and enjoy peace of mind. Prioritizing savings ensures that you're prepared for emergencies, future investments, and retirement, ultimately leading to financial success and stability. Number 8. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a vital component of financial success. It involves setting aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This financial cushion acts as a safety net, providing a buffer for unexpected events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund not only prevents you from going into debt to handle such crises, but also brings peace of mind and financial security. It's a crucial foundation for sound money management, allowing you to focus on long-term financial goals without the constant worry of unforeseen expenses derailing your progress. Number 7. Pay off high-interest debt. Paying off high-interest debt is a pivotal step toward achieving financial success. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances, can be a significant financial burden due to their compounding interest rates. By prioritizing their repayment, you not only save money on interest, but also free up resources for more productive financial endeavors, like saving and investing. Eliminating this debt enhances your financial well-being, reduces stress, and improves your credit score, which can lead to better borrowing terms in the future. It's a fundamental rule that paves the way for financial stability and allows you to allocate your income towards building wealth rather than servicing debt. Number 6. Invest for the future. Invest for the future is a crucial financial success rule that involves deploying your money wisely to achieve long-term goals. By investing in assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts, you allow your money to grow over time through compounding returns. This not only beats inflation, but also creates a path to wealth accumulation. Investment diversification spreads risk and helps secure your financial future. The key is to start early, be consistent, and take a long-term perspective. Whether you're saving for retirement, a home, or other financial objectives, investing plays a pivotal role in building wealth and ensuring a comfortable future. Number 5. Live within your means. Living within your means is a fundamental principle of financial success. It means aligning your expenses with your income and avoiding excessive spending. By adhering to this rule, you ensure that you don't accumulate debt, overspend, or exhaust your financial resources on non-essential items. It promotes financial discipline, enables you to build savings, and creates a sense of financial security. Living within your means allows you to allocate funds toward your financial goals, such as saving, investing, or debt reduction, ensuring long-term stability and reducing financial stress. It's a cornerstone of responsible money management, and paves the way for a more secure and prosperous financial future. Number 4. Set financial goals. Setting financial goals is a crucial aspect of achieving financial success. It involves defining clear, specific objectives for your finances, whether short-term, medium-term, or long-term. These goals act as a roadmap, guiding your financial decisions and priorities. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, funding your children's education, or planning for retirement, having well-defined goals helps you stay focused, motivated, and accountable. It allows you to measure progress and make informed financial choices aligned with your aspirations. Setting financial goals is a proactive approach that empowers you to take control of your financial future and work toward the life you desire. Number 3. Avoid impulse purchases. Avoiding impulse purchases is a key financial success rule that promotes mindful spending. It encourages you to pause and carefully consider your buying decisions rather than succumbing to immediate desires. Impulse purchases often lead to overspending on items you may not truly need or value. By practicing restraint and taking time to evaluate whether a purchase aligns with your financial goals, you can save money, reduce clutter, and maintain better control over your finances. Number 2. Diversify your income streams. Diversify your income streams is a vital financial success rule that involves generating income from multiple sources beyond your primary job. It reduces reliance on a single income stream and provides financial security. Additional income sources can include side gigs, investments, rental properties, or passive income from investments or royalties. Diversification not only enhances your overall earning potential, but also spreads risk. Should one source of income be affected, others can continue to provide financial stability. This rule encourages financial resilience, allowing you to navigate economic uncertainties and work towards long-term goals with greater financial flexibility and confidence. Number 1. Continuously educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself is a pivotal financial success rule that emphasizes the importance of staying informed and knowledgeable about personal finance and investment strategies. It involves a commitment to lifelong learning through books, courses, workshops, or seeking advice from financial experts. This ongoing education empowers you to make informed financial decisions, adapt to changing economic landscapes, and optimize your money management skills. Being well-informed allows you to spot opportunities, avoid common pitfalls, and stay on top of evolving financial trends, contributing to better financial outcomes, long-term success, and the ability to make well-informed decisions to achieve your financial goals. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.